Enough is enough. That is the message tonight from people in one neighborhood who are now pushing back against more taxes for their district.
In a story you will only see here, 41 Action News reporter Nick Starling shows us the battle and why the city says a new tax needs to be added.
Right now, this shopping district is under the Waldo Community Improvement District, meaning you pay a 0.5% sales tax here. This new CID would add 1% to that. And some are hoping to put a stop to this because they say they don't want to pay taxes twice.
How can they put this on top of another CID? That's two community improvement districts layered on top of each other.
With a clipboard in hand, Angie Lyles getting signatures to stop the CID 1% sales tax.
We knew there was going to be a renovation, but we didn't know there would be a sales tax that would be tied to that.
The tax would be placed on every business in this specific area between 84th and 85th along Warnell. The property is owned privately by Tashura Group, and while Price Chopper will chip in $2 million for renovations, they hope the other money comes from the sales tax. But Lyle's concern isn't about the need for redevelopment, but rather how it's getting paid for.
There are a lot of questions regarding the financing and where the tax money is actually going.
Cassie Stevenson signed the petition and went to one public meeting, but after the city council approved the CID, because she says no one knew this was happening.
At that point, we were already being told we had no input.
According to the city, the attorneys for the developers held a public meeting with neighbors before the city council approved the CID. What this petition would do is make the CID a vote of the people to approve the CID, not just the city council.
We want an opportunity to get the information, get the facts and figures, and make that decision and have that input.
Reporting in Waldo, Nick Starling, 41 Action News.
The attorney for the developers had no comment for this story, and Councilman Scott Taylor, who proposed the CID, didn't return our calls. The petitioners are still collecting signatures and need over 1,300 before January 15th.